Hi, so this week we're doing the patterns, and so this is my pattern. I did use this stripe. This is a skein of my fabric. I did use a stripe on my collection. So I I pulled these colors out. Um, my collection is more in the cool color tone, so I made it a a fall 2024 kind of look. And I use the pattern here and I kind of strategically place the darker parts on this end. It looks kind of like suspenders. I just didn't want it to look random. Um, Other than that, this is my print, my original print. I like this a lot. Japanese cherry blossoms are my favorite flower. And they're my favorite plant. They're my favorite scent, colors, everything about Japanese cherry blossoms, or like from my favorite color to my favorite flowers, are in there. So I thought I would use flowers for the spring because it is spring and it's everything's blooming outside right now. And I added some leaves and I just positioned them here on different angles so they look kind of like hearts because I wanted a little bit of green to be part of this print too. So this is my print and these are the colors in the print, and I used it here, and you can see that there's my princess seam and it kind of continues to go on my pattern. I'm gonna zoom in so you could see. I do have a little bit of streaking going on, as you can see right here, and I I I know I could just make the box bigger for the color when I add the color on there. I just didn't notice it until now while I'm making this video, to be honest, because I did have a bigger gap and I just noticed that it's actually a little bit bigger. But this could just prove that I did the assignment because you can see the lines here and then the lines there and it repeats. So yeah, this is the assignment. This is my print up close, and I'm going to show you. This is my scanned fabric up close, and this is the model or the Koki wearing it. Alrighty, see you next week.